What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got some products in from Kemimoto. All right, so what we have here today is we have a side mounting rack coupled with a bag to have storage on the side of your GROM. As you see, we're back here again with the Honda GROM, and we want to thank Kemimoto for sponsoring today's video. All right, so here we have the package that has the product in it. And you know, what I can say is it's pretty cool for this little bike here. Companies like Kemimoto have really taken the time to make using this bike a very enjoyable experience. And they continue to develop more and more products for bikes such as the Honda GROM. So here we have the side mount package of goods here. We open this up here. Inside we have our product manual and instructions. So this should be a very straightforward installation. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing done. You can see here, it says it's estimated to take 15 minutes and only requires an Allen key in which all the parts are right here. All right, so in this package here, we have the bags that mount on both the left and the right of the bike. So that is pretty cool. I will definitely drop a link in the description for this nice package right here. This is a great package that pairs together for both the bag and the mounting equipment. As you can see here, this is very straightforward. You're just literally attaching it to the brackets once those are installed. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bracket installed on the bike. All right, so as we get all our pieces here together, just looking at the orientation. So when you put these two together, this is going to be your right side, this will be the left. You'll know based off of that profile here, you can see this little hook piece right here. That is actually going to sit on the right side of the bike. This will sit on the left. And then we're just gonna take these screws right here, place it through the hole, and then put this spacer in between here. And that's basically all the preparation that's needed to get this done. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and head over to the bike. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get our seat pulled off here. All right, so after we have the seat pulled off, you can see this is the spot here, 1 and 2. These are what we're gonna be working with. You can see here on the inside, they have little hooks that kind of come around. See those little hooks there? So all we're going to do is we're going to take a flathead and we're just going to pop these out and get those screws placed inside. All right, so we've got our flathead and we're just going to gently place it inside here. Pop that out. And also pop this one out as well. And then again, making sure our orientation is correct. This little hook piece will be here on this side. And so all we have to do is get it screwed into the spot right here. Got our spacers in place, and then just get your Allen key and lock it down. And just like that, you can see how quick and easy it was to get this first side installed. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the other side and do the same steps. Now, after you take these out, make sure you put them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. All right, so the last step here is to take this little bar that goes across here and put these two screws in it, and we are done with the installation. And just like that, the installation is complete. As you can see, it probably took even less than the 15 minutes stated on the instruction manual. So now all we have to do is reattach our seat. So all that's left is to secure the bags onto the side of the bike. Then after you secure it down, you have access to everything inside of the bag. They do also include some extra securing straps here. So you can see you're able to really have nice storage on this bike here with the combination of the mount and the bag set from Kemimoto. And we also have an expandable piece here, so you can get a little extra storage out of that as well. So this is a nice little addition to the bike, especially for those that maybe do some grocery runs or ride it to work or whatever your little road trip may be. This is a nice addition to have here to get you some extra storage space on your Honda GROM. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the installation of the Kemimoto side mount racks, including the side luggage bags. Hope you guys see how easy it is to do this install, and it's a great addition to your Honda GROM or any other small bike. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.